Hey everybody. So here I am in Amman, Jordan, and I'm here to do some teaching for an automotive class for high voltage battery electric vehicles and diesel engines. So this is the first time I've been outside of the US, and so far it's been quite nice. The hotel is wonderful. The city looks like you would expect a city in the Middle East to look. It's very a desert region, so everything is kind of organic colored. The buildings are all either brown or dark brown or light brown. Everything's made out of stone. But so far everyone here has been super friendly, and it's nice so far. I'm waiting to find out what the class is actually going to be like. I know what I'm supposed to teach, but I don't know how it's going to go. So I guess once that happens, I'll update that and say kind of how it went. It should be good. But once I do that, then I come back to Atlanta. So, you know, that is how it's going to be. So let's look out the window and see what we see out here in Jordan. So here's the city. Right over there is the Four Seasons. It may be hard to see through the glare of the window, but that's it right there. That's the Four Seasons. There's another hotel there. It's actually not a bad looking area of the city. Everything looks pretty nice, and we can see, we zoom in over there, there's a nice blue pool. And this hotel that I'm in also has a very nice pool. I just haven't been down to it yet. But anyway, that's it for tonight. I've been on a long trip. I'm tired and ready to call it a day. So that's kind of it for me for today. I'll be back tomorrow.